Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am talking about eyeshadows, and I actually picked my 5 eyeshadow palettes that I would pick if I could only keep 5. I filmed this video last year, and let me tell you, only 2 palettes are repeating, so we will start with those, but my taste is totally different. Right now I like something. Just look at the eyeshadow that I have today. Last year I think I would never, almost never, have something like this on my eyes. Better no makeup than this. But now I really enjoy something more neutral, something a bit more soft. So let's start with the 2 that I am repeating. The first one is just, I love this one. It is the mini retro from Natasha Denona. I can't. This will be forever one of my staples. I will repurchase it at some point. Maybe I should, because it's getting pretty old, but it's just the best combo out there. It is a neutral palette, but with some pops, and if you love neutrals, if you love color, you will still love this palette, because you can create a greenish kind of look and something a bit more pinky toned, but it is diffused. It is neutral and it is wearable and beautiful. I really love this palette. It is so well made. The formula is of course great. It is the really good Natasha Denona formula. I still consider this one of the top eyeshadow combos that Natasha Denona created. This palette is just, like I said, so well made. I absolutely love it. And the second palette that I mentioned last year as well, it is the ABH Nouveau, and this is a very similar idea, and it is neutrals but with some pops here and there, and that is my thing right now. I really like something neutral but something pinky, something green. Green is still one of my favorites, and something a bit more unique, not basic neutrals but not very colorful shadows either. I really like the ABH formula. It is pigmented, blendable, buildable, easy to pick up from the palette. It's a really good formula, and because of that I decided to choose the other palette from ABH that I have, and this is the Cosmos palette. And again, it is that combo that I really enjoy. Neutrals with something a bit colorful, with this blue, something a bit green, something a bit purpley, and this Mars shade, it is a reddish brown. It's so yummy on the outer edge, and as well this Galaxy shade that is a black with some blue shimmers in it. It is so beautiful and dramatic. So I really like this palette, even though it looks very basic in a way. You have your normal ABH mattes that are neutrals and then some shimmers, but these shimmers are really nice, and it is a easy formula to work with, and at the same time you can create a very colorful look, but something, if you are a neutral lover, I think you will still love this one, and if you are a colorful lover, I think you can as well use it. So it's just a really good palette overall. And then I decided on another decently colorful palette. I think this is the most colorful from here. This is the Natasha Denona Yucca palette. I just love it. Green is very wearable in my opinion, and this palette again is very, very well made. You have your cream to powder formula that is incredible. You have your mattes, you have your beautiful, gorgeous shimmers, and you have variety in here, and you have depth as well, and you have something light to put in the inner corner. I just love this palette, and it's just again an amazing formula and an amazing color story from Natasha Denona. And lastly, I have this one that is just a neutral dream in my opinion, and it is the Nimya palette. Of course you have these 2 colorful shades in here, but except those, it is a neutral palette, and it is a beautiful, blendable, lovely formula. And it was so easy for me to pick these 5 palettes, because I already know that this is so great. This is a great formula, so easy to work with. From filming this video, I'm just so excited. Tomorrow maybe I'm gonna play with some of these, because They are so easy to work with, so blendable, so buildable, and these matte shades are just a dream really to work with, and the shimmers are so pigmented and foily and beautiful. I really love this palette. It is just so well made, so curated. Nikki did an incredible job with this one. I just love these palettes. They are so well made and so great formulas, so great color stories, and I would be happy with only these. I would create so many looks and they all would be so beautiful and stunning. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.